Hey friends, I'm Tasia, and this video will highlight the best Chrome extensions for Google Meet. A lot of teachers and students are gearing up for what might be a hybrid learning approach or even a fully remote learning school year. So it's time to take Google Meet to the next level and explore some of the best Chrome extensions for Google Meet. So this is great for teachers, students, business owners, or just anybody who's a huge Google Meet fan like me. So let's dive into some of the best Chrome extensions for Google Meet. So before we get started with my first pick, if you guys want to know some of the best Google Meet features or how to record a Google Meet or how to change your background in Google Meet, I'll link to some of those videos below and again at the end of this video. So first up for best Chrome extensions is Nod. It's spelled N-O-D. So let's jump in here. Nod allows students and participants to respond with reactions throughout your Meet session. So right off the bat, the Nod extension works when every participant has it installed. So with Nod installed, you can just click on the extension from your Meet right here, and you'll have a few emoji options. So if you want to keep your students engaged and interested in your lecture, for example, they can respond to your talking point or comments with an emoji. Now that emoji reaction is then displayed on the screen for everyone to see. But Nod also has a cool hand raise option. Now this is really handy because if a student selects that option, it'll stay on the screen. So if you're the presenter in this case, you can directly acknowledge the student and have them ask their question. And you can see why it works best when every participant has Nod installed. Now this next app is for those of you that don't have a dual monitor but want to function as if you do. So think, okay, I'm a teacher, how do I still see my students or my attendees on the screen while also showing a portion of my screen? So welcome to this extension called Dual List, like your dual monitor list. It's pretty neat. So here's how it works. Say I want to show my attendees this tab here, but I still want to keep an eye on my students. From your Meet, just select the Dual List extension. And you'll have different layout option ratios like 30/70, 60/40, etc. So pick the option you want. And now when you select your present button, choose to present window. Then select the window you want to share. So now, for example, the students would see what's happening just on the right with my shared window, but I can keep an eye on my students on the left side of my screen. And all these students are seeing is the window I'm sharing, this right side here. So now keep in mind, they're only seeing this little small area of real estate. It's not a full screen view window. It's just this snippet of what you're showing here. And last but certainly not least, if you need to take class attendance, there's an extension for that too, and it's called Meet Attendance. Here's how it works. This extension will be found in your Participants tab in Google Meet, and only you, the person that wants to take attendance, needs to have it installed. So you'll have this little clipboard icon with a check mark. The first time you use this extension, you may have to accept permissions and sign into your Google account. Now, Meet Attendance works directly with Google Sheets. So it's gonna pull your attendee list and add it to a time-stamped Google Sheet for you. So you'll wanna make sure this is toggled on first. Then, if you hover your mouse over the clipboard icon, you'll have these options underneath. If you click on this one first, New Sheet, your attendance will automatically be recorded in a new Google Sheet for you. And you can do this multiple times during your Meet, by the way. So if you want to take attendance, say at the beginning and end of class, you can just click that little Participants tab again, and then back in your Google Sheet, there's another stamped row of participants. So remember, if you want to learn any more about Google Meet, like just the cool features or how to record a Google Meet or maybe how to change your Google Meet background, I'll link to those again below and also at the end of the video. Well, those are my top 3 Chrome extensions for Google Meet. And now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite Chrome extensions for Google Meet and why? Let everybody know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I want to know, so give it a like, a share, or leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and up here, or even, oh look, up here, for more Google Meet videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time.